Rural Herd, we believe animals deserve freedom, not confinement. Raising goats in open, natural spaces allows them to graze freely, build stronger immunity, and live stress-free lives. Unlike tiny enclosures that limit their growth, open ground ranching promotes healthier, more active animals. Goats raised this way provide better quality milk and meat, while ensuring sustainable, ethical farming practices. This is not just about livestock, it's about respecting nature, empowering farmers, and creating healthier food systems for all. Together, we can build a future where farming means harmony between people, animals, and the land.